आप लिटरली इतने घंटे खड़े होके मतलब दिल्ली तक ट्रैवल करके गए?
हाँ, लिटरली यू डोंट बिलीव इट। ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मतलब आराम से खड़े रहे। तो ऐसा मतलब जितना जगह पे आपको जगह मिला वहाँ पे लाइक यू कैन नॉट इवन आफ्टर वाटर बॉटल खत्म हो गए थे। अगर आप बाहर जाके आप वाटर भर के वापस आओगे तो आपकी जगह क्या है? वाप
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in on another episode of D Industry. In this episode, we have a wonderful guest with us. Hi Karunakar, welcome to D Industry.
Hi Desh, thanks for having me.
So, thank you so much Karunakar for joining us. If you could give a brief about yourself to our viewers out there.
Hi, I'm Karunakar Karari. I have 12 years of experience as a UX designer. I did my graduation in fashion design from JD Institute of Delhi. Currently, I'm working as a youth architect in our tech private limited. I take care of clients like T-Mobile, Indian Railways, Digit Yatra, JP Morgan, etc.
That's wonderful. Thank you Karunakar. So, what was your journey into design? How did you start? And what are your tips to the beginners on starting the design journey? Since you have seen a lot, you have studied fashion design and then you have also worked as a retail designer. So you have done multiple roles and then finally transitioned to UX design. So what were your learnings like?
It all started way back in 2005. You know, at the time, everyone was doing MBBS engineering. So I wanted to do something. सो उस टाइम पे ना 2 करियर्स थे 2 नए करियर्स थे अपने पास होटल मैनेजमेंट एंड फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग। सो आई चोज़ फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग ड्यू टू माय क्रिएटिव इंस्टिंक्ट। देन आई केम टू हैदराबाद gave my NIT entrance examination, I couldn't clear. Then उसके बाद there are other 2 competitors by NIT, one is Pearl and other is JD. Pearl एक्सपेंसिव था तो JD चॉइस किया। तो उसके बाद I want just wanted to share one thing, how far you can go when you really want something. जब मैं वारंगल टू हैदराबाद ट्रैवल करनी थी, आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू टेक ए पैसेंजर की। तो एक टिकट लेना है, पैसेंजर ट्रेन में बैठना है और हैदराबाद आना है। इतना ही पता है मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि दिस इज़ हाउ ट्रेन वर्क्स। सो जब मैं दिल्ली गया जाने वाला थे एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन देने जेडी पे। So I took the ticket. I sat, I was waiting for the place, the compartment. तो उस टाइम पे जब मैंने देखा था, जब ट्रेन आया था, तो इतना क्राउडेड थी लाइक यू कांट इवन स्टैंड। एक ऐसा जगह भी नहीं था कि यू कांट इवन स्टैंड। देन एक और डायलेमा में था कि मैं जाऊँ या ना जाऊँ। अगर नहीं जाऊँ तो 1 साल और रुकना चाहिए। ठीक है, अनदर ईयर, अनदर एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम। मुझे लगा कि भई लेट्स डू इट, चलते हैं। और 20 आवर्स मैंने उस ट्रेन पे खड़ा था दिल्ली लाइक।
भाई कैसे मतलब आपका ये सुन के मतलब दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर हियरिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस बट आई नो takes a lot of effort and dedication, the lot of these background stories that we want to bring through these videos. So आप लिटरली इतने घंटे खड़े होके मतलब दिल्ली तक ट्रैवल करके गए?
हाँ, लिटरली यू डोंट बिलीव इट। ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मतलब आराम से खड़े रहे हैं। तो ऐसा मतलब जितना जगह पे आपको जगह मिला वहाँ पे लाइक यू कैन नॉट इवन आफ्टर वाटर बॉटल खत्म हो गए थे। अगर आप बाहर जाके आप वाटर भर के वापस आओगे तो आपकी जगह क्या है? वापस फिर से मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। तो इसलिए वहीं पे खड़ा रहा। तो आई वाज़ वेटिंग फॉर दिल्ली पहाड़गंज जब जब भी आ जाए।
भाई दिस इज मैसिव डेडिकेशन। हाँ फिर कंटिन्यू उसके बाद।
हाँ, उसके बाद मैंने एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ामिनेशन देके वापस जेईई में वर्क की I worked for as a designer for a couple of years. Then I came to Bangalore for some reasons. Worked as a vision merchandiser. Visual merchandiser, वो change में thought process from a creative designer to a women-centered design. So if I say vision merchandising, it's just like a interior designing for retail stores. Right? एक example लेता हूँ कि, if you go to any ready-made store in village or small, सबसे पहले एक सेल्समैन आएगा, पूछेगा कि व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉर? देन आप एक के बाद एक विल शो यू द गारमेंट्स, राइट? So, contrast to that, metro cities, if you go to any exclusive store, you need an assistant, actually, right? विंडो डिस्प्ले दिखेगा तो पता चला कि कौन सा कलेक्शन है. Then premium collection will always be discounted collections will always be on the rad tables and cash counters, washroom, right? There will be external signages everywhere. Until and unless you need a specific size or a specific color, you need an assistant. So this is how we should mention it. Hero. Oh yeah. We call it as it's a language between a product and a customer.
Wow. This is the first time that I'm speaking to somebody who is in this field, visual merchandiser, and feels like very exciting, unique space also. While we are having a conversation also, you mentioned you also used to design for stores and all, right? The way how the layout has to be, the way where clothes has to be kept for, and design basically the whole walking experience when somebody enters into a store. So could you please share what was it like? Because it was very fascinating for me when I first heard it from you, but I wanted the world also to know there's something like this also. And how was your transition from that to UX? And why did you choose to come down to UX?
Yeah. So this is in Bangalore 2013. The Asian merchandiser uh, few friends who are to startup. So they wanted to create because they wanted to have their own website. तो वो लोग आते थे वेबसाइट डिजाइन करने वो ट्रैफिक साइट. तो 2013 एट द टाइम बैंगलोर वाज इन स्टार्टअप हब अभी भी है. तेरे से मतलब सेइंग दैट कि एक घर छोड़ के दूसरे घर में स्टार्टअप इस टाइम पे. Right. I used to, work with like work for them, and then I used to attend events, startup events. तो मुझे उस टाइम मैंने डिस्कवर किया था कि यूएक्स डिजाइनिंग इन दैट प्रोसेस मुझे बहुत मजा आया काम करने में. और फॉर माय लाइफ आई वाज डिजाइनिंग फॉर ट्रेकी प्रोडक्ट्स और दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. बट अभी एक पूरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में जो होता है मुझे आई रियली वांटेड टू डू दिस वर्क particularly. Then initially with that particular knowledge, I created my portfolio. And abhi to filhal you have a lot of designers who find LinkedIn or ADP list or any design communities, right? So उस टाइम पे आपको पता भी नहीं है कौन यूएक्स डिजाइन लाइक किसको पता भी नहीं था लाइक एक यूज डिजाइनिंग करके है भी. Then the only way you will find a UX designer is go for a job, go for an interview. You'll the next first is sitting is UX designer. Then after look interview the rejection. Then ask. चलो let's talk. I have few questions I wanted to ask. Then I said no. I used to take feedback. I used to take how to improve my skills, how to improve my portfolio. Then come back. Iterate the design. And the next interview, next feedback, next iterations. ऐसा एटलीस्ट मैंने 10 इंटरव्यूज़ दिया होगा. आई रियली डोंट रिमेंबर द नंबर बट एटलीस्ट 10 इंटरव्यूज़ दिया होगा मैंने. मतलब 9 इटरेशन थे. तो 10 में आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट जॉब.
Wonderful. काफ़ी सही जर्नी लगा आपका एंड wanted to understand from your perspective, like what were the common patterns that you have noticed between UX, like designing for digital products, and when you were designing for stores? What were the common things you have noticed?
Sure. So, there are many similarities in retail and vision merchandising, right? Retail is physical, vision merchandising it call customers and we call the user. तो दोनों का सेम है कस्टमर बिहेवियर है, प्रेफरेंस होते हैं, शॉपिंग पैटर्न पे यहाँ पे भी नीड है, बिहेवियर है, मोटिवेशन, राइट? If you ask me what is business, then I would say what comes in, what goes out, what is remaining is business. The core level of चाहे तो हम इन से सर्विस की बात करें या टीम की बात करें, वो तब नेक का होता है। तो इवन इन द यूएक्स डिज़ाइन और विज़न मर्चेंडाइज़र दोनों स्पेस में एंट्री है, एक्सिट है एंड बीच का जो एक्सपीरियंस मैटर करता है। That is what I think. In my opinion.
That's wonderful, bro. Yeah, and I felt this is a very unique space, and that's what your transition was also quite easy since we had these a lot of commonalities in between. That's wonderful, Karnaka. So, if you have to like give some advice to somebody who is starting now, and since you do mentorship on ADP also, folks, I'll be attaching Karnaka's LinkedIn and ADP in the description below. You can connect with him via that. So, how is your experience like, and what would you tell to the beginners on how to get into design as a field?
Yeah. So, first is you really don't need a design degree. If you have, it's good. But if you have a passion, you will carry it out, even if you don't have a degree. But I suggest have a mentor, that can speed up your journey. Uh, क्योंकि if you do something and make a mistake, learn from your mistake, and you not repeat the mistake again. So there are the people already make a lot of mistakes, and they know how system works, how things works. They will tell you what works and what doesn't work. So second one would be use AI wherever it is possible, because have this mindset actually. You AI as an assistant, you as a boss, not the other way. And other would be keep an eye on your tools and technologies. Every now and then the tools are changing, right? So you don't have to go and search everywhere, but follow any influencer. They will actually curate the content for you. It will be very easy for designers to take that information. The most important is take it till you make it. So even if if you get the opportunity, take it opportunity. Senior designers, junior designer, doesn't matter. So I give you an example actually. Katrina Kai, I was a big fan. From starting, she did a Telugu movie called Mallishwari. So she was not good at that, good at acting or dancing. But 10 years, fast forward, there are so many super hit movies, and the Chick Michan Lily, Sheila Kijia, blockbuster item songs, right? So वो लोग बोलते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री सब कुछ सिखाती है। सो हियर ऑल्सो वंस यू एक बार डूब जाओगे तो तैरना अपने आप सीख ही जाओ। अदर वुड बी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, मास्टर योर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स। बचपन से सुनता है वर्क आउटलायर इज वर्थ मोर, योर वर्क स्पीक्स, सब बुलशिट है। इफ यू कांट स्पीक योर so have good communication, learn sales negotiation. It will help you presenting it. Uh,
So, Karnakar, I know like you are too much into fitness and to do a lot of gymming and stuff. So, wanted to ask you like, how did fitness help you clear your mind? And definitely, it helps you make you fitter. But you also gave me a good design correlation, so you could share it with the audience.
People choose their own piece, right? On meditation, whether you praying to God, third is fitness. So I choose fitness as my piece. So if you are, fit, if you go to gym and if you have a healthy body, then you have a healthy, then you will have a creative mind. So happy mind is a creative mind when people say. So everything is, a chain system. One depends on the other. So go to gym. Uh, it will help you one or the other.
Thank you so much, Karnaka, for sharing all these wonderful insights. So before we wrap up, wanted to take like 3 book recommendations that you could share with us.
Yeah. So one is 1 minute manager. I would suggest, even if you're, in a junior position or beginner, read this book. You will understand how management works and how you have to be a good manager, even to collaborate with other developers and other stakeholders. Second would be 12-week year. So this is a wonderful book. Recently, we celebrated New Year, right? So we have to wait all the way 65 days for that, 56 weeks. Now, let's say every 12 weeks you'll have a new year. Then what will be your resolution? What you will do, right? So third would be any sales negotiation, art of sales negotiation, master sales. This will help you in many ways, even in your interview, your salary negotiation, presentation, client demo, everything. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Karnaka, for sharing those wonderful recommendations. So we're looking forward to host you again in our upcoming episodes. Thank you so much for your time. And folks, whoever want to reach out to Karnakar and have further discussion around this, please feel free to reach out. I'll be attaching his LinkedIn down below. So do definitely check that out. And thank you so much once again, Karnakar.
Thanks, Sage. Thank you so much. Nice talking to you.